So we got to It's kind of technical goes down, so you know, I can fall onto his board. You know, I don't know if you get out.
Oh shit. This is before the storm's even here. It's not even here till the morning.
Gonna fix the footsteps.
Hello, Beth.
Still gotta fix the footsteps. Add bird sounds. Gotta add the leaf rustles.
So today I want to set out the big, bold, patriotic case for Britain to remain a member of the European Union. I want to show that if you love this country, if you want to keep it strong in the world and keep our people safe, our membership of the EU is one of the tools that helps us to do these things, like our membership of NATO or the UN Security Council.